Racing, and because Platinum Penny galloped in the score up, Peggyville took the advantage and charged out of the gate. It'll fire across and lead at the first turn here. Peggyville, it will find the inside, kicking through Redbank Olivia. So Peggyville has to do a little bit more work than Nathan Hurst probably wants. Redbank Olivia's holding it for the time being, and they're running it fast. Third here, Tulhurst Cash. The inside fourth is Can't Explain It. 5 metres away in the field, the outside came SP Supreme, next Caesar Real. Back on the inside is Bandan from Tiger Courage, and Platinum Penny has tacked on, and there was also another galloper, Future Fun. It's out the back 20 metres away. 28.4 the first quarter, and Redbank Olivia used that inside draw to perfection. Looked like it was going to cross, but it was able to punch through and keep out Peggyville. Third, Can't Explain It. Tulhurst Cash gets a nice trail now. It's fourth on the outside, 1 by 1. Fifth, the pegs is Bandan. Around it in the running line, SP Supreme. Next, Platinum Penny. Here's a move. Future Fun tacked on, pulled out 3 wide and goes around them. Tiger Courage latches onto its back, so it's getting a cart forward, and Caesar Real pulling hard at the end between runners. 33.7, a very slow second quarter going into the back. 5.50 to go. It's Redbank Olivia. It leads by ahead Peggyville, who's going up to give it the stare second. Tulhurst Cash on the back of the favourite third. Can't Explain It fourth. They're followed SP Supreme. Wider under pressure, Future Fun. Peeling out very deep is Caesar Real from Tiger Courage, Bandan and Platinum Penny. 30.2 the third quarter. Peggyville surged to the front. Redbank Olivia's coming back. Winding up now. Here's SP Supreme putting in a quick dash. Sprints up to join the leaders. Under pressure, Tulhurst Cash and then Caesar Real. SP Supreme sustains the run. Hits the lead from Peggyville and Redbank Olivia. Caesar Real's running on. SP Supreme's all out, but it's holding them. And SP Supreme beat Tulhurst Cash. Third, Caesar Real. Fourth in Peggyville. They're followed then by Redbank Olivia and Can't Explain It. Mightn't have ever got a crack at them. Well back in the field, Bandan, Platinum Penny on their backs from Tiger Courage in a distant last, Future Fun. Winner here, number 9, SP Supreme. For Lola Wiedemann.